Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to make an embedded image on Discord. So to do this, first of all, go to your server name here and click on the drop down. Once on the drop down, scroll down and click on server settings. Once on server settings, select the option that says integrations. On integrations, select the option that says webhooks. On the webhook page, click on the button that says new webhook. And here is our webhook. Click on it and you need to select the channel the webhook will work on. So I'm going to select the image channel, and you can also change the name if you want, and then click on save changes. After saving the changes, what you need to do is click on this button that says copy webhook URL. So our webhook URL has been copied. So once we're done here, we need to go to our browser and go to the website called message.style. And then once on the website, we'll click on the option that says open app. So once on the website, you'll see an option that says webhook URL on the top. So you will paste the webhook URL you have copied before. Once you've copied the webhook URL, on the bottom you'll see content. So content is where you write your message. And on the bottom you'll see a section called embed. So this is where you add your embeds. So click on add embed. Click on the arrow to open it up. So on the list of options, you'll see an option that says image URL. So you need to copy and paste an image URL on this section. So I'm going to select this image, and to select it, we'll right click and click on the option that says copy image address. Then we'll go back to our embed generator and paste the URL. So on the right side, you can see a preview of what it might look like. So on the description, you can write anything, and you can see that the first message here is our main content, and this is the embedded message. So to send, all we have to do is click on the send message button. And then when we open up Discord and open up the channel the webhook is attached to, you can see the embedded image on the message. So this is how we embed images on Discord. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.